What if I told you one machine could create endless business opportunities? Laser engraving is a high-profit, low-cost business with huge demand. With market trends showing a rise in personalized products, entrepreneurs are finding immense success. From startups to established businesses, laser engraving transforms ideas into profit. A laser engraving machine can engrave, cut, and design on materials like wood, metal, glass, leather, and even food. Laser engraving uses a laser to etch designs onto surfaces. It has evolved from traditional methods dating back centuries. Modern technology allows for precise designs, making it versatile in many industries. The market for custom products and branding is growing. This video will cover profitable business ideas using a laser engraving machine. Personalized and custom products are always in demand. After purchasing the machine, the cost per project is minimal. A single engraving can be completed within minutes. Start small and expand into multiple industries. Flexible business model options include working from home or a commercial setup. Many people started laser engraving business from their garage and now makes over $200,000 annually. Others focused on engraving pet tags and saw their revenue grow by 400% in 1 year. Custom signs and business branding are crucial. Laser engraving creates unique products like business logos, wooden plaques, and acrylic signs. These high-quality materials command premium prices, leading to substantial profits. Engrave names, messages, or designs on rings, pendants, bracelets, and watches. Create luxury custom-made products for premium pricing. Laser engraving allows for precise customization, making each piece unique. Every step is tailored to the customer's preferences. Sell decorative wall art, wooden cutouts, and personalized gifts. Create laser-cut coasters, intricate lampshades, and name signs. Unique products fetch high-value sales. Focus on quality materials and detailed designs. Use social media to showcase your creations. There's a growing demand for custom license plates. Laser engraving offers precision and durability, ideal for unique designs. Partner with local automotive shops to meet bulk orders. Preserve memories with engraved photos on wood, metal, and glass. Perfect for gifts, memorials, and awards. Adjusting laser intensity and speed ensures high-quality results. Produce unique keychains, belt buckles, wallets, and leather straps with custom engravings. Sell in bulk to corporate clients, wedding planners, and gift shops. The market for these items is vast. "3D metal engraving creates detailed components like gears, custom tools, and machine parts. This market has consistent demand from manufacturers. Offer personalized cap branding with logos, initials, and trendy designs. Partner with sports teams, schools, and clothing brands. Explore laser engraved hats with unique patterns, motivational quotes, and intricate artwork. Perfect for corporate events, promotional giveaways, and family reunions. Sell personalized wine glasses, trophies, and acrylic plaques. Partner with businesses for bulk orders. Create custom designs for weddings and special occasions. Use high-quality materials and precise engraving. Market through social media and local events. There's a growing demand for engraved business and invitation cards. Laser engraving creates unique professional products that truly stand out. Create unique, customized wooden clocks and laser-cut toys for kids. There's high demand in handmade markets like Etsy. From intricate wooden puzzles to personalized name blocks, the possibilities are endless. These items are popular with parents and make great gifts. Engrave unique welcome mats for businesses, hotels, and homes. Create personalized mats for weddings and corporate events. Partner with custom local brands to engrave names, logos, and designs. Think about branded sneakers and custom-designed footwear for fashion shows. The demand for custom metal cups and water bottles is rising. Laser engraving offers a precise and stylish way to meet this demand, perfect for individuals, gyms, and corporate gifting. It's an eco-friendly product with increasing popularity. Sell engraved chopping boards, wooden spoons, custom kitchen sets, coasters and trays. Partner with restaurants, chefs, and gift shops. The market for these items is growing. Engrave custom logos on baked goods, cookies, and chocolate. Create personalized messages on ice cream and lollipop sticks. Imagine branding cupcakes, macarons, and bread with intricate designs. Endless possibilities for unique treats. The demand for laser-cut letters is rising. Laser engraving creates unique professional products for weddings, businesses, and home decor. Partner with event planners, decorators, and designers. Start by picking a specialty, like custom jewelry or engraved pendant. Research trending products on Etsy and Pinterest. Create a business plan outlining your goals and budget. Invest in a quality laser engraver. Set up an online store and showcase your work on social media. Attend local craft fairs to gain exposure. Small laser engraving businesses make $3,000 to $15,000 per month. High-end custom orders can generate $50,000 or more per year. As demand grows, invest in more powerful machines for bulk production. With strategic planning, annual revenues can increase by 50% to 80%. Expanding your workshop and hiring staff can boost productivity and profits. Laser engraving is one of the most profitable small businesses in 2025. Minimal investment with high returns and multiple niches to explore. The demand for personalized and branded products is increasing. Start your business now, focusing marketing strategies in social media and online stores. Comment below which laser engraving idea you liked the most. Ready to start your own laser engraving business? Check the description for resources and guides. Watch our other videos and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Let's turn your creativity into a thriving business.